Hello YouTube, this is my first video unboxing accessories. I buy this. Oh yeah, this is the Holosight from EOTech 552. I buy at KRISS.co.id in Indonesia. Let's see the package. Nice package, black color, and this is right in this EOTech Holo 552 PC.5855. Oh yeah, this is my cat. Her name is Kupun. She's very active cat. Let's see the holo. Hey. Hey. Yeah. See. Here is weapon mount screw. This is the manual. .552 graphic site. The manual is nice. Oh, this is 551 EOTech Holosight. Okay, let's see. This is the cleaner. Oh yeah, I buy the lens cover for my Holosight about $500. Yeah, that's all. Like this cover. And here we go. This is the Holosight 552. Yeah, like this. Whoa. For law enforcement military use. My holo have a marking L3 EOTech. That is nice. Oops. Get this. I buy 3 days ago, and the package is so good. See, we have 2 battery, 2 battery from package. I think this is a AA battery size. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Wait for my unboxing video. KWA KRISS Factor. And my KRISS is still shipping about 3 days, and I hope you enjoy my video, and please subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.